Okay, students, Mr. Grandy here with another explanation for you. Today is from the virtual pulley lab. There was a link to click on as asking for an explanation as to why machines do not make less work. So we're talking about simple machines here, and simple machines do not make less work. They actually create more work for you, but it's easier work, kind of like a cat. Cats create more work for you too, but unlike a cat, the machines create easier work. The cat makes things more difficult. Will you get out of the way? Get out of the way. No, get out. Okay, watch how well trained she is. Sit. Good girl, good girl. Okay, back to this. So think about it this way. Here's a combination switch and outlet you can put in. And to hook it up to your electrical supply, you have all these different screws, ground wire and things like that. And you have to turn the screws when you put the wires in there to tighten it up, but it's really hard to do. Like tightening these with your fingers, like I barely move that one at all. But if I use a simple machine, like a screwdriver, it makes the work a lot easier. You can see I can just use it with my fingers here. It's not less work because now not only am I turning the screw in there, I have to turn the screwdriver as well. So it's a little more work, but it's easier work. That's where people get this wrong. They think the machines cut down on the amount of work you have to do. They actually increase it a little bit. The better the machine, the less it'll increase the work, but I mean, they're all gonna increase your work. And again, we're talking about simple machines. We're not talking about things that use electricity or gasoline or anything like that. So this particular machine is called a wheel and axle, if you've done any of the readings on the different types of machines. So the way this makes it more work also, not only do I have to turn this, but the screwdriver is only turning in a circle around the axle part. And my fingers are turning around the wheel, which is much bigger than the axle. So my fingers have to go a greater distance around it while I'm doing that. So machines, simple machines, going to make less work for you. They're just going to make easier work for you. Hope that helps.